how to subtract shapes in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily subtract shapes in Canva. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Canva in your browser and then go to Elements. So you'll see shapes right there. So choose the shape. I'm going to choose a square and then I'll change the color. I can put any color of my wish. So I'm going to put it pink. Now what you can do is you need to go to the elements again. Now if you want to subtract some part of the square, then you can choose a circle and then put the circle in the part where you want to subtract the square. And then you should change the color of the circle to white because our background is white. And there you go. It looks like you have subtracted the shape of the square. However, you haven't. This is just a little trick that you can do on Canva to subtract shapes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.